Do you want to become rich in 2023? Let's face it, who doesn't want a life of financial freedom and abundance? It's a universal dream, a shared aspiration. And guess what? It's not as elusive as you may think. We're about to embark on a journey that will navigate you through the roadmap of wealth creation. We've got a treasure trove of insights and strategies in store for you. So buckle up. Stay tuned to learn the steps towards achieving your financial goals in 2023. To become rich, you first need to understand money. It's as simple as that. The first step to wealth accumulation is financial literacy. It's the ability to understand and effectively use various financial skills, including personal financial management, budgeting, and investing. Let's break down some key financial concepts. First, income. It's the money that you earn from your job, your business, or from your investments. It's the fuel that powers your financial engine. Next, expenses. These are the costs you incur to live and enjoy your life. From rent and groceries to dining out and vacations, expenses can quickly eat into your income if not carefully managed. Now, onto savings. This is the portion of your income that you don't spend but set aside for future use. It's like a safety net that cushions you during tough financial times or allows you to seize opportunities when they come knocking. Investments, on the other hand, are like seeds you sow today to reap benefits in the future. By investing your money, you're putting it to work for you. It's about making your money generate more money. Lastly, debts. It's money you owe to others. While some debts can help you grow financially, like a mortgage for a home or a loan for a business, excessive or high-interest debt can be a significant hurdle on your path to wealth. Undeniably, the cornerstone of financial literacy is the principle of living below your means or spending less than you earn. It's like the golden rule of personal finance. It's the habit that allows you to save, invest, and stay out of crippling debt. It's clear that understanding these financial concepts and how they interplay in your life is crucial. It's like learning the rules of a game. The better you understand the rules, the better you can strategize and increase your chances of winning. In the vast landscape of wealth creation, financial literacy is your compass. It guides your decisions and actions, helping you navigate towards your financial goals with confidence and clarity. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to money. So, equip yourself with financial literacy and you're on your way to becoming rich. Your journey to wealth starts with saving and budgeting. Let's start with the basics, saving money. It's the cornerstone of any financial plan, and yet it's often overlooked. Saving is not just about putting aside a part of your income every month, it's about cultivating a mindset of financial discipline. It's about making choices today that will pave the way for a prosperous tomorrow. Now let's talk about budgeting. Imagine you've just embarked on a journey without a map. That's what your financial journey looks like without a budget. A budget is essentially a roadmap for your money, guiding you on where to spend, where to save, and how to reach your financial goals. You might have heard of the 50-30-20 rule. It's a simple yet effective budgeting strategy. Here's how it works. 50% of your income goes to your needs. These are the non-negotiables, the bills you have to pay, the groceries you need to buy. 30% goes to your wants. These are the things you desire but can live without. The remaining 20%, that's your savings. This rule is not set in stone. It's a guideline that you can adjust based on your personal financial situation. Now, let's touch upon the concept of an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and unfortunately, financial emergencies are a part of it. An unexpected medical bill, a sudden job loss, or a major car repair can throw a wrench in your financial plans. This is where an emergency fund comes in. It's a safety net that can cushion the blow of these unforeseen expenses. Ideally, your emergency fund should be able to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Remember, saving and budgeting are not about deprivation. They're about making informed decisions. They're about understanding the value of money and using it as a tool to create the life you want. A budget is a plan for your future wealth. To grow your wealth, you need to invest. It's not enough to just save. You need to make your money work for you. But what does investing actually mean? Investing, at its core, is about putting your money into assets with the expectation that they will generate income or increase in value over time. It's a long-term game, and patience is key. One of the most powerful concepts in investing is compound interest. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. As it rolls, it picks up more snow, growing bigger and faster. That's compound interest in a nutshell. Your money earns interest, and then that interest earns interest, and so on. Over time, this can lead to exponential growth of your initial investment. So, where should you invest? There are numerous options available, each with its own set of risks and rewards. Stocks, for example, offer ownership in a company. They can be volatile, but historically they've provided substantial returns over the long term. Bonds, on the other hand, are more stable. When you buy a bond, you're essentially lending money to a government or corporation. In return, they promise to pay you back with interest after a certain period. Mutual funds are another option. They're a collection of stocks, bonds, or other assets managed by a professional. This allows you to diversify your investment across many different assets, reducing risk. Real estate is also a popular choice. It can provide steady income through rent, and property values tend to increase over time. Finally, there's the world of cryptocurrencies. These digital assets are highly speculative and can be extremely volatile, but they also offer the potential for substantial returns. Remember, no investment is without risk. It's important to do your research and understand what you're getting into. And don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is key. Investing is the key to multiplying your wealth. It's about making informed decisions, taking calculated risks, and having the patience to let your money grow. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. This age-old adage holds true even in the realm of personal finance. In our journey to financial stability and growth, diversifying income streams plays a pivotal role. But what does it mean exactly? Well, it's about not relying on a single source of income, your 9-to-5 job, for instance. It's about creating multiple avenues that bring in money, thus reducing financial risk and increasing potential for financial growth. So, let's delve into a few ways you can diversify your income. First off, consider side hustles. In the age of the internet, there are countless opportunities to earn extra money during your spare time. This could be anything from selling handmade products online to tutoring or even pet sitting. The key is to find something that aligns with your skills and passion. Next up is freelance work. If you have a skill that's in demand, such as graphic design, coding, or writing, you can offer your services to clients on a project basis. This allows for flexibility and the potential to earn quite a bit more than traditional employment. Another possibility is rental income. This could be from a property you own or even just a spare room in your home. Platforms like Airbnb have made it easier than ever to earn money from your unused space. Lastly, let's talk about passive income. This is money that you earn with little to no daily effort. It could come from investments in stocks or bonds, royalties from a book you've written, or even from affiliate marketing. The beauty of passive income is that it can provide a steady cash flow without taking up much of your time. Remember, it's not about having all these income streams at once, but rather building them up over time. Start with one, then gradually add more as you become comfortable and see success. By diversifying your income, you're not only safeguarding against financial instability, but also paving the way for financial growth and independence. Multiple income streams make your financial foundation stronger, so don't hesitate to start exploring these options today. Your future self will thank you. Let's recap what we've learned. We kicked off by understanding the importance of financial literacy. It's the fundamental building block of wealth creation, empowering you to make informed decisions about your money. It's not just about earning more, but also about managing, investing, and growing what you have. We then dived into the art of saving and budgeting. Remember, every penny saved is a penny earned. A well-planned budget is your roadmap to financial success, helping you cut unnecessary expenses and save more. It's about making your money work for you and not the other way around. Next, we explored the world of investments. Investing wisely is the key to multiplying your wealth. Whether it's stocks, bonds, real estate, or cryptocurrencies, the right investments can offer substantial returns over time. But remember, it's essential to do your research and understand the risks involved. Finally, we discussed the significance of diversifying your income streams. Relying on a single income source is a risk in itself. By diversifying, you're not only creating multiple income streams, but also safeguarding your financial future against unforeseen circumstances. So, there you have it. These are your stepping stones on the path to wealth creation. With these steps, you're well on your way to becoming rich in 2023. Remember, the journey to wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. So start today, stay consistent, and watch your wealth grow.